Hey Crystal, are you finished using that machine? I really need it.
Oh, yeah. Just give me 5 minutes. I just wanted to try this new shoulder phone press. You know, they got some unwritten rules in the gym that you probably need to figure out so you won't be, that one. There are all kinds of gym violators, but I'm going to give you my top 5 rules that should not be broken in the gym. Rule number 1, never interrupt anybody when they're in the middle of exercising. There are cues present when you know someone doesn't want to be bothered. They usually have on headphones, they usually have this focused look, they usually avoid eye contact. To most people, when they go to the gym, it's like an escape for them. So this is not the time to interrupt their workout.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
There is a fire in the building. You gotta get out immediately.
Don't you see me in the middle of my workout? God. Rule number 2, respect people's space. If you walk into a gym and there's 20 treadmills lined up on the floor and there is one person on the very first treadmill, don't go get on the treadmill right next to that person. It's 19 other treadmills.
Good morning.
Sir, it's 18 other never mind. Have a good workout. Rule number 3. Practice hygiene etiquette. If you plan to shower at the gym, ensure that you have your flip-flop. You can catch a fungal infection, athlete's foot, or warts. And these infections spread to other people in the gym.
Hey Crystal.
Hey girl. Hey, did you forget your shower shoes?
I forgot them at home.
Hey, well just put your socks on, so you can have a barrier between your feet and the floor. You don't want to, catch anything.
Oh, I don't mind.
Oh, okay. Them your feet, not mine. Rule number 4. Always put your weights back where they belong. My pet peeve is searching for the 10-pound dumbbells. Or you have some people that'll leave 10 45-pound plates on the leg press. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Hey, you left all 10 45-pound plates on the leg press machine?
Uh-huh.
Hey, you mind removing those for me?
Sure.
Thanks.
Sorry about that.
And finally, rule number 5, the most important rule of them all, never go to the gym without a plan. Always pre-plan your workout so you can be efficient in the gym, especially if you are a beginner. If you don't have a plan, you will be left wandering around the gym and you won't get a good workout. Write it down or have it on your phone so you know exactly what exercise to do, how many reps, and how many sets. And those are my top 5 rules you should never break in the gym.